Every day, Nigerians hustle hard from 9 to 5 to side gigs, even late night runs. But here's the truth. If you're only earning and spending and not investing, you're building someone else's wealth, not yours. Frankly speaking, inflation is eating your money like a fast-running stream. The 100,000 naira you saved last year, it's worth maybe 80 now. And guess what? It'll keep shrinking unless you put it to work. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to something called compound interest. Think of it as money giving birth to more money over and over. If you invest just 10,000 naira a month starting at 25, by age 55 you could have millions, even in dollars, if you diversify wisely. But start at 35. You'll need to invest twice as much to catch up. That's the cost of delay. Whether you are in Nigeria or resident abroad, early investing is your best bet against uncertainty. Currency devaluation, job loss, even emergencies. Investing early gives you options, and options equals freedom. Start small, start scared, just start. Mutual funds, stocks, real estate, dollar investments. Pick what suits you, but don't wait to have enough before you start. Consistency beats perfection. Money doesn't wait, neither should you. Like and share this to challenge one friend to start today. Did you enjoy this video? Please subscribe to our channel Moloney Street Tree for more. Turn your hard-earned monies today into wealth tomorrow.